Hey,
What's up, Mom?
why is your room so dirty?
I'll clean it when I'm done with this game.
Don't talk back to me. Clean your room now. 30 minutes later. Mark! Why isn't he answering? Let me call him instead. Hello, are you there?
I can't hear you.
Oh, what is he doing? Son, why haven't you been responding? Hey!
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
Oh, great heavens!